Hey y'all, hey, it's Queen Beauty here and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be on how I got this cute and simple halo eye for Valentine, for a wonderful Valentine's Day look, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Hey y'all, hey, it's Queen Beauty here and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this look. This is my first look of 2018. I'm super hyped and it's actually a Valentine's Day look. And Valentine's Day is the best holiday ever created because you get gifts. And you know, I don't know. I get gifts 3 months in a row. December for Christmas, January for my birthday, and now February for Valentine's Day. So it is lit. So I just wanted to show you guys this simple halo eye that I did for Valentine's Day, obviously. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and while you're here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. So you guys, I am going to be using 2 palettes today. I'm going to be using the Take Me to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics. And actually, I'm only using one color out of here. I'm going to use the red out of here. And then I'm also using the Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm actually going to use a couple colors in here. So the first color I'm going to start off with is a mix, just to put down a base. I'm going to put down these 2 colors right here. So the next color I'm going to go into is this lighter color right here. And then I'm just going to build up the color. So once I get from this color, I'm going to go to this color. And then after that, I'm going to add the red from the BH Cosmetics palette. This is a way so I can build up the intensity so it can look, you know, like this. So now I'm just going to blend all that out. So now I'm going to go into the red from the BH Cosmetics palette. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm going to go back into the Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm going to take a little bit of this dark brown and basically start doing my little halo eye, which I darken the inner corner and the outer corner and then leave the middle a little blank so I can add my glitter. So now that I'm done with that, I'm going to take a little concealer and carve out the middle. I used the LA Girl Pro concealer. I cut the end off of it. So I used the LA Girl Pro concealer. I cut the end off of it because it was just hard to come out the other end. So yeah. Now I take my Jaclyn Hill palette and to just set the little eyeshadow, set the concealer, I'm going to use just I don't know if y'all can see it, the little sparkly color right here. Now that I've said it, I'm gonna go in with my Stila metallic, it's like Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow eyeshadow liquid, or eyeshadow liquid eyeshadow. Yeah. The applicator makes it so much easier. So what I'm gonna do is get the dark shade that I was going around with it and kind of like blend around the area to not make it look so squarish. Let me put my lashes on off camera, and I think I'm also going to apply my foundation, so I will be right back. I look like an orange, but I literally cannot help it right now. Okay, you guys, so I finished the look. If y'all have any suggestions on a foundation that actually has, you know, yellow tones instead of red, because right now I'm looking super tan and it's not how I really am anymore. I don't know how to fix that. I mean, I know how to fix it, but I just need to find the right foundation for me. So if y'all have any suggestions, put them down below. Also, if you guys were wondering, the hair I have in my head is IC hair. I actually will be having a video coming out soon to tell y'all about this hair. So if y'all hit that notification button down there, y'all will know when I post it below. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching this video. Bye. Queen Beauty out.